Good evening. My name is Aaron Gibson. I am owner and creative director of 903 Creative, a branding studio in Richmond, Virginia. I was looking forward to being there in person tonight with you to share our work and answer any questions you may have, but we're living in unusual times that require creative solutions, so I respectfully submit this video in hopes of sharing what we've been developing the past several months alongside Josh, Matt, and the amazing advisory committee that they've assembled. Thank you in advance for your time. As this project had been underway before our involvement, we had the advantage of building off of some great research and strategy work that had already been developed, most recently by a group from VCU's Brand Center. Their work was guided by two lists of characteristics, two contradictory lists that led to questions such as, how do we currently see ourselves? How do we think others see us? How would we like to present ourselves moving forward? Where are we now and where do we want to go? We concluded that there were elements of both lists that rang true. We decided that the most appropriate place would be a comfortable compromise, a happy middle ground. We wanted our new brand to connect in some way with items from both lists. That's when the theme of connection and inclusion became the anchor for our design. It's a theme that rang true through every aspect of what we aim to promote with the new brand. Whether it be the shared connection of the resident community, a visitor or a tourist discovering the town's unique personality and culture, local businesses or organizations collaborating on new endeavors, a charming stop along the way of a larger trip or commute. Even the idea of being the center of the universe is rooted in connection. What's the distance between these various points, and how do we make a meaningful connection between them? With this in mind, we developed a new brand for Ashland, Virginia, Center of the Universe. Highlighted in the "and" portion of Ashland, our design visualizes the idea of connection through simple, clean, typographic negative space. 2 points are clearly and directly connected, new possibilities and opportunities afforded through a shared bond. The word mark itself is set in a sans serif typeface that is progressive but friendly. The letter forms have been modified to include softened, rounded corners throughout that create a more welcoming aesthetic. The customized A helps to create a unique logo with fluidity and motion. Alone, the A is distinct and recognizable with enough personality to stand alone or as part of the overall mark. Other elements of the word mark may be broken out to stand alone as supporting brand graphics. The "and" type is a strong, clear way to show connections or collaborations through marketing or other promotional materials. The connection graphic itself can be used as a strong visual on its own in various applications. A bright new color palette is a fresh and vibrant evolution of colors familiar to branding efforts of the past. The diverse palette can be used in a way that is professional and muted or promotional and engaging. The suite of brand graphics has been developed to include a base Ashland logo mark, an Ashland, Virginia lockup, and an Ashland Center of the Universe variation. Additionally, a family of secondary icons and seals has been developed. A variety of color combinations have been explored and tested to ensure a flexible, durable, memorable new brand for the town of Ashland. We're very excited about the work that we've created alongside the advisory committee and hope that you share our enthusiasm for a thoughtfully crafted brand that could represent Ashland for years to come. It's a lot of work and progress already made towards this endeavor. We feel privileged to be part of the group that's moving it closer to the finish line. Thank you again for your time.